Hey guys, welcome back to VBA A to Z. I'm Long Pamai, and in this video I'm going to show you how to customize your VBA editor without having to install any third-party plugins. By default, this is how it's going to look like. After we do our customization, it's going to look like this. If you are new to VBA programming, I would suggest that you leave it as default, but if you are already familiar with the syntaxes, methods, and so on, sure, why not? You can give it a try, and if you do not like it, you can always restore it back to default view. Let's get started.
So there's not many things that we can change here. I'm just talking about the visualization. I'm not going to go through all the settings. So go to Tools and then go to your options. So once you click on Editor Format, here you're going to see a couple of things. First is the font. The default font that you'll see here is Courier New, and then that will be like this, and then the font will be around 10 or 12 like this. This is what you'll see in your code. Going back, the font that I'm using currently is Source Code Pro, so I'm gonna this, and then I set the font size to 14. The margin is basically this, so you can toggle that if you want. It's better to keep it on so that you can click and turn on the breakpoints whenever you want. And the main thing here is the code colors. That's the main one. I have to warn you that before you change anything here, it's better to take a backup of this, because if you don't like the new setup, you'll probably have to reverse whatever you've done. Okay, currently how I've set it up is the identifiers. The identifiers are something like variable names or the objects, the Excel objects. Here is I've set the color to yellow, and then the keywords are something like declaration and data types, like dim. This is the keyword, and then the data type, this is also the keyword, and then you can see this for and if next, and all this are the keywords. For the normal tags, I've set the font to white color. As you can see, these ones, these are the normal tags. And the comments, for the comments, I've set it to gray. As I mentioned earlier, I'm using this font, Source Code Pro, and you can also check out Fira code. It looks really good as well. I can actually quickly show you now. So Fira code, this also looks very good. It's friendly with the eye, and then if you're doing a lot of programming day in and day out, probably it will help your eye. Okay, so you can go ahead and download this from this site. I'll just leave the link in the video description. So coming back to the options editor, now what I'm going to show you, I'll just quickly show you a couple of things. Let's say I want to change this the keywords to maybe this color, and click on OK. So this is how it's going to look like. So that's how I've played around, and then I've come up with whatever I have right now. I'm gonna go back and toggle it to select the keywords again. I'll bring it back to this color. Okay. Now I'm gonna go through each of these code colors, and then I'm gonna go slowly one by one so that you can pause the video and then you can change the color from your application. And remember that once you change this here in Excel, if you're doing any programming in Word document, or if you're doing this in PowerPoint or Outlook, this will get changed everywhere. So this is just one settings that you need to do. Okay, so I'm gonna go through each of these code colors one by one, and then you can pause the screen and then you can do the settings from your end. Selection. So this is how my selection is going to look like. If there is error, it's going to look like this. I set this to auto, and then this to red. Execution point, it's going to look like this. Set it to yellow. Indicator is also yellow. Okay. Oh, this one has a selection background. Breakpoint, comment, as you can see we've shown earlier. The keyword, again, light blue. Identifier, are set to yellow, bookmark are set to I think pink or purple, and then call return tags is set to yellow.